Friends, that is the phone ringing. I believe it is a patient. Observe carefully as to how I speak to this person. Good morning, Happy Eye Clinic. How may I help you?
Hello, can I have an appointment with the eye specialist?
Yes, sir. Is this your first visit or have you been a regular patient with us?
It is my first visit.
Okay, sir. Could you please tell me a time and date that will be convenient for you?
I would like to come as soon as possible. Can I come today?
Yes, sir. We have a free slot at 10:30 a.m. Would that be good for you?
Yes, that's perfect.
Okay, sir. May I have your name and number? I will be requiring it in case there is an emergency.
Sure, my name is Rohan Kapoor and my number is 900 900 9009.
Thank you, sir. I hope to see you at 10:30.
Alright, thank you.
Goodbye, sir. Friends, that's how you speak to the patients over the phone. Let us have a look at the important points that you need to remember while scheduling appointments. Take a look.
Ask the patient whether he or she is an old patient or a new one. If it is an old patient, ask for their registration number. This will help in identifying the patient and his problems easily, and you will not have to take down the patient's details over and over again. Make sure to have at least 10 minutes gap between patients when you give appointments. This gives enough time for each patient to be examined and avoids clashes. While making phone appointments, make sure you have the patient's contact number to inform about any changes. Maintain a proper register which include patient details, contact numbers, appointments, etc.